Welcome to a Hubelino marble race. Yes, this is the second one. Let's meet our contestants. We have Mr. Blue, we have Mr. Green, and in this course we have a swing wave, then a twister, then another swing wave, and then another twister. And the marbles are off to the races. Both circling in the first funnel, and they both are going to drop down. It's still a tense race. Anybody could win this. If you don't remember from the first video, or if you didn't watch it, make sure you go check that out. Then you have the qualifiers, and then you have a consolation round, and a finals round. Alright, and now on to the second qualifiers. We have red and yellow. Both have been released into the first funnel. They are still circling, and red is going to drop down in a weird kind of oval shape. Not normal. Yellow, he's in there too. Can he hold him off? But no! Red is going to take the W. And now on to the consolation round. Okay, and so now we have our consolation round. Yellow and green are the two marbles in it, and they're both going to be circling. Who is going to drop first? It's going to be yellow, followed closely. Oh! And the green pulls yellow's own maneuver. Wow. Marble racing, you never know. Green is going to take third place. This is it, the finals. We have red and blue. Who is going to take home the win, the W, the trophy, the crown, you name it. That's what this is. Red, blue, red got second place last time. Oh, weird patterns. And red is going to steal it from blue, though. Good job to both of you. And now we cut to the interviews. All right, we have the interviews. Red, how you feeling, man? Blue? And green. All right. Very interesting stuff, if I must say so myself. And now, the loser, the trash talker. How you feeling, Yellow? You came up so high, you had such a big ego. Looks like you fell so far. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any advice, leave it down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.